Hey, I'm Chris Whitehurst from Berkshire Hathaway-RW Town Home Services, and this is Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Hey, I'm Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. I believe knowledge is power, so go ahead and subscribe, ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and each one is packed full of information to help you as a buyer or seller in your real estate transaction. This is actually episode 116. Today we're going to be talking about you're ready to buy, so what's next? My first question when someone says they're ready to buy, I ask, are you really? Have you done a bank pre-approval or pre-qualification? Do you know the difference? Well, let's talk about those first. Pre-approval is a solid indication from the bank that you're ready. Pre-qualification is just a rough estimate. If your lender will do the pre-approval, highly advise you to do so. Next question I'm going to ask is, do you have enough money in hand to cover the cost of your inspections? As a buyer, you want to know exactly what you're buying and have the ability and knowledge to ask sellers for repairs, and you can't do that if you can't afford to have a home inspection done. Do you have money in hand for closing costs? If you're going to ask the sellers to help you with $10,000 on a $200,000 offer, well, your offer honestly begins to smell and look a lot like $190,000. You'll need money to cover the appraisal and attorney fees as well. Make sure you aren't surprised about these additional costs that may push you out of the market before you get in, and we're going to be covering this exact topic here in a few weeks. If you like these videos, you can check out my past episodes and other great content over on my YouTube channel. All 160 of these, plus a lot of information specifically about the local market and the local area. If you want to connect with me directly, please do so at 252-312-2263. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.